Alright,
flashbang.
this is Devin from Patriot Airsoft, and this is the flash grenade from Thunder Bee. Picked up a pack of these at GamePod. Pretty much the only thing you have to do is put a cylinder of CO2 in the middle, and then set it up, then pull the pin, which I've already done, and then release. Put the grenade wherever you want it to blow up. The CO2 will expand on the inside of the grenade and pop. Cover your ears. Just like that. That's 160 decibels of noise. And this is what it looks like on the inside. The CO2 is still expanding. You're gonna have to wait a little bit, or this thing's really cold, so be careful. So just loosen this up a little bit to release all the CO2 on the inside. And then once you think that's all good, take the shell back. That's not supposed to happen. Well, if you did it right, first let's get the CO2 out of here. That's an empty CO2 canister. Just toss it. It's really cold. And then pretty much you just throw the shell away and then throw a new shell on there. Thank you for watching this video. Please rate, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.